How to fix laptop hang. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix laptop hang problem. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the reason why your laptop can hang is due to running of too many processes. So to fix that, what you can do is open up your task manager. Head over to your start and search for task manager. So search for task manager and this is the one. Open it up. After you open up your task manager, you can see how many different processes are currently running. So you can check that. And depending on the consumption, as you can see right here, you can start with ending different processes. So here you can find different processes, find the one that you can that is unnecessary, and you can simply remove it. So to remove it, once this stops, you can simply end a task by clicking on it. So here, let me search for Fiverr. I'll show you how you can end it. So you can right click on it and then you'll see the end task option. Simply tap on end task and Viber should stop working. And yeah, that's how you do it. You can also check the performance, make sure none of these are going too high. And if it is, you can simply fix it. You can restart your device completely. So you can restart your laptop completely. For you can also press Alt F4 and you can just select restart and then tap on OK. Doing that will also fix your problem. You can also try to reduce the number of files that you have. Try to clear out unnecessary files and folders that you do not need. So you can also clear out your recycle bin. Just make sure that you do not have anything unnecessary in your device. So doing that should fix your problem. This is a basic troubleshoot to fix the hang problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.